A touch of salt and butter completes the perfect, irresistible popcorn experience.
In the heartland's sun, specialized seeds begin their journey, destined for the perfect pop.
Our farmer, John, meticulously inspects the burgeoning crop, ensuring optimal early growth. He checks the soil's moisture, a critical first step for a healthy and robust popcorn yield.
Satisfied with the initial progress, John plans the next crucial steps for cultivation.
It's time to prepare the irrigation system, ensuring every plant receives vital water. With a practiced hand, John starts the tractor, preparing for the day's essential tasks.
Precision planting ensures optimal spacing and depth for each specialized popcorn seed.
Each precious seed is carefully placed, promising future kernels of delicious popcorn.
John ensures every row is planted flawlessly, a foundation for a bountiful harvest.
Weeks later, the popcorn stalks have grown substantially, promising a hearty yield.
John discovers the first developing ears, a promising sign of the harvest to come.
Constant monitoring of soil moisture is crucial for healthy, well-hydrated popcorn plants.
Targeted fertilization nourishes the plants, ensuring strong growth and robust kernels.
Time progresses, and the popcorn stalks mature rapidly under diligent care and sunshine.
The corn plants reach full maturity, heavy with the promise of future popcorn.
He reveals perfectly formed kernels, a testament to weeks of dedicated cultivation.
Precise moisture content is critical. John measures it for optimal popping quality. As days pass, the popcorn dries naturally in the field, preparing for harvest.
The field is now perfectly dry, signaling the long-awaited moment of harvest.
Each kernel, now hard and dry, holds the promise of its explosive transformation.
John begins the harvest, carefully hand-picking the sun-dried popcorn ears.
Methodically, he gathers the dried ears, a timeless ritual of agricultural labor.
Modern machinery arrives, ready to efficiently gather the vast popcorn harvest.
We're ready for the harvest now.
The powerful combine sweeps through the rows, harvesting thousands of ears in minutes. Inside the harvester, ears are swiftly separated, preparing for the next stage. Shelled kernels cascade into the waiting trailer, a golden bounty from the field. The harvested kernels embark on their journey from the field to the drying facility. The journey continues to the drying facility, where precise moisture control is paramount.
Freshly harvested kernels arrive, ready for the crucial drying and curing process.
The golden kernels begin their controlled journey into the advanced drying systems.
Inside massive bins, controlled airflow meticulously reduces kernel moisture.
This precise drying process is essential for achieving the perfect popping performance.
Automated sensors constantly monitor moisture levels, ensuring exact drying. In the control room, John oversees the intricate balance of temperature and airflow. Powerful fans work tirelessly, circulating air to uniformly dry every single kernel. At the processing plant, kernels undergo rigorous cleaning and quality checks. Automated sensors constantly monitor moisture levels,
ensuring exact drying.
Over days, kernels cure and harden, reaching the precise moisture for perfect popping.
John manually checks the kernels, his experienced touch confirming their readiness. Perfectly dried, the kernels now move to the processing plant for final refinement.
Powerful shellers efficiently separate kernels from any remaining cob fragments. Air separators gently remove lighter debris, ensuring only pure kernels remain.
The kernels, now immaculately clean, advance to the final polishing stage.
Gentle polishing enhances the kernel's surface, readying them for packaging.
His keen eye meticulously inspects each kernel, guaranteeing premium quality. At the quality control station, John ensures every kernel meets the highest standards. The flawless kernels now enter the final phase: precise and hygienic packaging. In the sterile packaging area, automation prepares kernels for their journey to consumers. Approved kernels are sampled and logged, ready to proceed to packaging. From the hopper, a steady flow of kernels awaits precise measurement and sealing. Bulk bags are efficiently filled with accurately weighed popcorn kernels for wholesale. Automated systems hermetically seal each bag, preserving freshness and quality. Roasted to perfection, the warm kernels swiftly cool on the perforated conveyor belt. Smaller retail packages are meticulously filled, ready for individual consumers.
Each package receives its unique label, essential for branding and consumer information.
Robotic precision packs the finished products into boxes for distribution. Palletizing robots efficiently stack boxes, preparing them for storage and transport. Securely wrapped, the pallets are ready for the final stage of distribution logistics.
In the vast warehouse, completed popcorn packages await their final destinations.
From field to package, a journey of meticulous care culminates in this perfect product.
John surveys the finished product, a testament to the dedication of his craft.
The journey concludes at home, where the magic of popping is about to unfold.
A consumer selects the premium kernels, anticipating a delicious snack.
The perfectly dried kernels are introduced to the heat, ready for transformation.
As heat intensifies, the internal moisture within each kernel begins to steam. Pressure builds rapidly inside the kernel's hull, reaching its critical breaking point.
The hull ruptures, and the starchy interior explodes into fluffy, white popcorn.
A symphony of pops fills the air, transforming golden kernels into a delightful snack.
The machine overflows with light, airy popcorn, a satisfying culmination.
A touch of salt and butter completes the perfect, irresistible popcorn experience.
The first delicious handful is taken, a reward for the journey of a single kernel.
Inside the farmhouse, plans for the next season quietly begin to take shape.
Another planting season complete. A new cycle of growth has officially begun.
From the soil, the first green shoots emerge, heralding the start of new life.
John surveys the new growth, ensuring the healthy start of another journey. His touch, a connection to the land, nurtures the promise of future kernels.
The ultimate reward, a single, perfectly popped kernel, ready for enjoyment.
Tracing its path, a kernel's journey from field to a beloved, crunchy snack.
It's a testament to dedication, passion, and the magic of nature's bounty.